Guys, now let's play Angry Birds Go. I just download this and I'm kinda new, but in when I don't have a phone, I played this before. I just got in a higher level. I got where I was in a place like in the sky. Okay, let's just play this again. I'm getting a cough. What the fuck? Okay, now go. Okay, let's plant all of these fruits. Because I hate bananas. All of the fruits, I hate them. I'm a meat lover. Oh no, yes. Yeah. Oh yes, success. Okay. Okay. Continue. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's good. I don't have all of the birds yet. Oh, we can unlock howl. Okay, let's upgrade. Let's upgrade. Let's upgrade this son of a bitch. Oh yeah, I upgrade it. Okay, it's upgraded. Okay, let's go. Oh, what's this? Games. Oh yeah, I played that before. Okay, go. This game is fun too. You can download this in your phones. Oops, yeah. Oops. Ah, stupid pig. You're my sister. My sister's fat ass. My sister's very fat, okay? Yeah. Destroy him. Kill him. Okay, blow him up. Blow him up, blow him up. Okay. Okay. If I play Minecraft too. If you play Minecraft, you're cool. You're cool. You're very, very cool. I kinda hate noobs. Oh, so I can... What's this? Okay, ticket. Whoa, see me skimmer. Oh, no, no, no. Shop, I can... Oh, I don't have another ticket. Man, that sucks. Okay. What is a skim sim? What? Oh, so it's my cart. Oh man, that sucks. Let's upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade more. Also, you need some. Oh, you need some milk. Okay, I had this guy before. Beat the boss. Okay, I will beat you, nagger. Nagger, 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 nagger. I'm a 100% nagger. Ah, I hate drift. I wish I didn't drift. Oh no. Oh nope, 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 nope. Yes. Okay. Okay. I spent time for this game. The name of this oh yeah, already you already know. Oh yeah, I've unlocked bomb. Okay, I guess this is the end. Bye guys and see you next time.